Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about today's topic because this video is going to be very different from what you are used to seeing on this channel. Most of the time I share about tips, tricks and strategies to improve English, but today it's not about that. Okay, it's something deeper. If you have ever felt like you are doing everything right but still not making real progress, then this video is exactly what you need. Okay, this video is not just another list of tips and tricks to improve your English. It's really deeper. It's something deeper, and yeah, that will definitely be relevant for you to improve your English. Whenever you watch any English learning videos, you may have heard one thing in those videos. Okay, learn English with your daily life, practice with your daily activities. But the question is how can you do it, right? How can you start to practice like that? So that's why in this video I decided I will show you how you can practice. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here you will see beauty of nature and simple village life, how we live, how we learn and how we speak. Even though I didn't have many resources, I never gave up, right? I never gave up. I found my own ways to improve this language. So you need to do the same. You need to find the ways to improve your language. Like you find the excuses that I don't have this, I don't have partners to practice. Okay, this is just an excuse. Don't make an excuse. Try to find your ways to improve your language. Okay, to improve your English, because I am here to tell you that how you can use your surroundings and daily life activities to improve your English. Okay, and if you are from a village, you will relate it better. And even if you are not from a village, okay, you are not from a village, you will still learn how to use your surroundings and practice English. Okay, so don't miss a second. Watch this video till the end. Okay, and it's the first time I am doing the vlog kind of video, so please, if I make few mistakes, please let me know and don't be offended. Okay, watch this video till the end. Friends, 1 hour ago it was raining heavily, but now the sun is shining brightly above my head and you can see the light effect on my hair, right? Okay, it's no problem. I can shoot in this scorching hot. It's not a big issue. Yeah, and one thing you can see that I am starting vlogging outside of my house because you know, friend, about the villages, how it is in villages. Electricity isn't always great. So I thought I would show you around a bit. Okay, and I will talk that how I use my surroundings to improve my English. And just behind me you can see a long leaves plants, right? It is corn plants, and yeah, this is okra plants, also known as lady's finger. It is common in vegetables, and yeah, it is tasty vegetable. Okay, and yeah, just behind me you can see cow shed. I know that you have seen that in my previous videos, right? Further I am going to show you my calf. Okay, and calf, it means says cow's baby. Okay, they are called calf. I am going to show the shed. Yeah, I have fear to enter here because cow is also here. Okay, she is resting, so of course I have fear, but yeah, I will dare to show that. I will go near to her, and yeah, let's try to do that. As you can see, friends, I am already here, but yeah, I will try to show. You can see my cute calf. Okay, she is really cute, right? She is really cute. I can't describe in words. And after that I am going to show you my cow. Okay, she is uh, I have fear to go near, but yeah, I am trying. Still, I am trying. And I think you know about this place very well because I shoot the video here. Now I am going to show you my favorite place backside of my home. Actually, I really enjoy sitting here on this green grass. Okay, it's really soft. You can't say no to sit here. I really enjoy sitting here and vibing with the nature. You can see the mesmerizing view of my village. Okay, covered by full of greeneries, right? You can see the trees. Actually, my village is covered by forest and hills. My village, it has less farming lands. Okay, so you can see the trees and hills. Yeah, in another vlog I will show you the full forest view. Okay, but not right now. And there is a snake hole as well, but I can't go near because I am bit scared to go there. Okay, but yeah, even I am trying. Actually, I am not pro in blogging as I told you earlier, but even I am trying. Okay, coming here I really feel connected with nature's energy, and the boundary you can see made with pillars, it is going to be a hospital, so sooner or later. Okay, and whenever I feel exhausted, I just come here and see the nature, and I think that it never feels it tired. It gives us fresh air all the time without asking anything back from us. So I think now you are getting my point that we should not give up on our language learning, right? We should always try to learn something new. Okay, we should always try to learn, never give up. Yeah, definitely we will learn. It's just a language, and yeah, you can learn with nature in a easy way. Just see the surroundings and name them in English. Don't chase perfection. Don't always want to be perfect while speaking English. Okay, learning English naturally, it means you are not going to be fluent overnight. Okay, it's a time taking process. Day by day you will be fluent, but not in just one day. Okay, it will take time, but yeah, learning English with nature, it means you will learn every day. Just see the surrounding. Even you have no partner, there is no need to have a partner. Okay, English speaking partner. Without English speaking partner, you can practice with yourself, like I do it every day. Okay, I just practice with myself every day. I made a habit that I will come to this place, I will see, I will make new sentences, I will think, I will imagine about English, that I am talking to someone in English. And this is the perfect way to become fluent, right? Without imagination, without fake that yes, you are talking to someone in English, you can't be fluent, because it's a myth. You can't find a English speaking partner, okay, easily. And it's a myth that you can't be fluent without a English speaking partner. Yes, you can be. Just you need to be with yourself all the time. Don't think and don't make excuses that you don't have partner. After listening this, now I think that you will start practice with yourself, right? You will not wait for someone else. So just start practice with yourself. Speak up, listen more. Okay, immerse yourself in the language and try to just learn new things, new words every day, each and every day. That is the only way you will improve your English, because I do the same thing. That's why I'm telling you to do. Okay, and yeah, please, if you found this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye.